Hello, welcome to the Dasunnex art tutorial. Yes, this painting my barrel do here. I want you to stay tuned so that we can watch it together. In as much as I forward it very fast, I'm going to be explaining a little bit how I do it. Yes, first of all, I got my canvas, drop the colors I want, then try to blend them in together so that I can smooth and get the color effect I was looking at. As you can see, I'm still blending it. Yes, as yellow, white, red, and blue that got me this color effect. As you can see, yes, this is your first time now coming across this page or channel. Do well to subscribe or follow for more, and stay tuned for more exclusive artwork. So after blending the background and getting the smooth uh, color effect I want, I use my flat brush trying to drop some fine color so that I'll create the concept what I was trying to create on the this blends color. Watch as you can see. All right, here we go. Yes, very smoothly. Here we go. Yeah, dropping the color nice and slow. Yes, here we go. Yeah, so after getting that color, trying to bring it to the background as well, then try to create this texture as you can see, very fast and nice. Yes, this is landscape pictorial painting. Yes, keep watching so you don't miss anything. After getting the color effect, I was trying to create a darker effect from the down so that will create give me a very nice perspective. Yes, on the surface now we're just trying to create and throw more highlights using white and yellow to get that effect. Yes, as you can see, just trying to blend in a little bit so that it can give me more texture. Yes, smoothing it. Yes, after that I'll just still trying to create another effect from the down. Yeah, small of glasses as you can see. Yes, just keep watching so you don't miss anything now. All right, let's go. Yes, yeah, I think I'll just get its texture. What am I trying to do here? Okay, yeah, I remember. As you can see on my me. Yes, yeah. um I think I was just trying to create what let's keep watching. Let's see. Yes. Oh wow, I think I was flower very fast. Yes, nice. Yes. Just trying to create